welcome to the next part of studying Schubert Liszt Ständchen. Since we see that there is no lyrics in the score standing, this part is meant to be performed by the orchestra. In this case, we see pianissimo marked. We might use a left pedal to enhance the contrast between the singing part and the orchestra part. As pianists, we play everything at once, so creating this distinction is essential. Again, here you have to highlight the melody with your fifth finger. So make sure to put all your weight here up. And to create the volume, emphasize the lowest note in the bass, keeping the remaining notes very quietly and precise.